Hello everybody and welcome to a new video. Today you're gonna learn how to fix if someone is active on Facebook Messenger but you cannot see it. So probably this happens because you have deactivated that option too, so other people is not allowed to see if you're active or not. For that you must go into your Messenger. As you can see, I have different profile pictures with a green circle beneath them, so that means that they are active right now. But if I tap in the three horizontal lines on top of my screen and go into settings and now tap into active status, I can deactivate this option until I change it, for instance, so you won't see when your friends and connections are active or recently active on this profile. To make sure they can't see this info about you, turn this setting off wherever you're using Messenger or Facebook, and your active status will no longer be shown. But if I go back, as you can see, I have no those picture profiles with the green active status. So if you want to change that, obviously go into settings, active status, activate that option, and that's it. That's how you can fix if someone is active on Facebook Messenger but you cannot see it.